Welcome to a world of effortless property management with Three Pentacles PLLC. We pride ourselves in providing an unrivaled suite of services that makes property ownership a breeze. Three Pentacles PLLC is not just another property management company, but a partner committed to safeguarding your investment and maximizing your returns. We offer a comprehensive range of services, from thorough tenant screening processes that ensure only the most responsible individuals occupy your property, to efficient management that guarantees maximum occupancy and profitability. We are a Chicago-based company with a formidable reputation, serving Cook County, Illinois. Check our service area map on our website at threepentacles.com. Areas served. With a team of seasoned professionals who know the ins and outs of the complex property market, we guide you through every step of ownership, from leasing and maintenance to tenant relations and conflict resolution. Trust and quality service are not just buzzwords for us, but the very foundation of our business. Our mission is simple: to protect your property, ensure stable housing for tenants, and provide you with peace of mind. You can find more information on our services and book a consultation by visiting our website at threepentacles.com, or you can reach us directly at 312-607-4646. Don't wait for the challenges of property management to overwhelm you. Take action and secure your investment with the experienced professionals at Three Pentacles PLLC. Your peace of mind starts now with Three Pentacles.